To trade options on Thinkorswim, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Trade tab. From here, select the Options tab and choose the underlying asset you want to trade, such as a stock or ETF. Next, define your strategy by selecting the type of option you want to trade, including calls, puts, or spreads. You can use the Thinkorswim platform to analyze market data and news to inform your trading decisions. When you have selected your underlying asset and defined your strategy, use the options trade ticket to enter your trade. This will prompt you to select the specific option you want to trade, including the strike price and expiration date. Be sure to review the risk profile of your trade, including the potential profit and loss, before confirming your order. Thinkorswim provides a range of tools and resources to help you manage your risk, including position sizing and stop-loss orders. Once you have confirmed your trade, monitor your position closely and be prepared to adjust your strategy as market conditions change. Thinkorswim also provides a range of educational resources and support to help you improve your trading skills and stay up to date with market developments. Some key concepts to keep in mind when trading options on Thinkorswim include volatility, liquidity, and time decay. Volatility refers to the degree of uncertainty in the market, while liquidity refers to the ability to buy or sell an option quickly and at a fair price. Time decay refers to the loss of value in an option as it approaches expiration. By understanding these concepts and using the tools and resources available on Thinkorswim, you can develop a successful options trading strategy and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means, and to seek professional advice if you are unsure about any aspect of options trading. Thinkorswim provides a range of features and tools to help you trade options successfully, including real-time market data, advanced charting and analysis tools, and a range of educational resources. By taking the time to learn about these features and how to use them effectively, you can improve your trading skills and achieve your financial objectives.